Whilst visiting the Surf Coast, Torquay or Jan Jack areas, look no further than a relaxing stay at Deśa Retreat. Deśa Retreat is a unique offering of boutique accommodation, plant-based homegrown food, yoga studio, yoga classes, workshops and retreats, all within 3/4 of an acre of landscape garden, walking distance to the beach. Deśa means place or space and has been purposefully designed to be a portal into deep connection with self, community and nature. Allow yourself to be nourished by your welcoming host M and all the property has to offer. The thoughtfully designed eco-villas are surrounded by stunning landscape gardens, including an extensive and abundant veggie patch that is utilised in the Deśa kitchen to nourish guests. Each villa is beautifully appointed with your comfort in mind, offering a large bedroom and ensuite, light-filled north-facing living area with kitchenette, opening to a sunny deck with outdoor table and hammock. For inquiries or to book your stay at Deśa Retreat, head to desharetreat.com.au.